be an amazing show at the Mac Theatre. It's called Babette's Night of Amore. I'm Babette. And we'll be laughing about love. And who doesn't want to laugh about love? I know I do. Very funny. Anyways, this show is going to be so incredible. You come like 7:30, 7:15, 7:42, whatever. And we give you champagne, a little munchy treats, like that. Then 8 o'clock we have a show. I invite my friends, my family, and we talk about love because I know about love. I do. Everything. Then we maybe dancing, there's a singing, there's a show, it's a fun. Then after the show, you go and we treat you to dessert, like so delicious. And you drink a glass of porch, like that. And we have music and you talkie. It's very nice. And for everything, from the food to the champagne to the laughter, it's only $30. You get your ticket online, theman.org. And we only have a very few tickets, so go get your ticket. Go get it. You don't want, go get your, I said go. Go get your ticket quickly. There are not too many, go. Online.